Hey guys, Jared Glover with Jim Glover Dodge Chrysler Jeep in Owasso, Oklahoma, and we just got back a 2021 JT370 from American Expedition Vehicles. It's a diesel Rubicon, 456 gears, AEV dual sport lift, 37-inch BFG KM3s. AEV's front bumpers are pretty awesome. Boron steel, incredibly strong. Worn winch, I think it's a 10,000 pound worn winch, synthetic cable. AEV's off-road lights. They relocate the trail cam. It's pretty cool. Pull it out of the grill a little bit. Just stuff like this. Knee pads for if you need to get up under the hood. Black badging. Steel rear bumper. And this one got ordered with the custom Cordura leather. Check this out. Two-tone Cordura leather. Show it to you in the shade. See the two-tone a little bit better. If you have any questions, want more info, check out JimGloverDodge.com.